Hi little learners. Today we learn daily basic English sentence. Are you ready to learn? Let's start. Good morning. Good morning. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. How are you? How are you? I am fine. Thank you. I am fine. Thank you. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Kaira. My name is Kaira. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. I am hungry. I am hungry. It's too hot today. It's too hot today. Have a great day. Have a great day. It's raining. It's raining. I need some water. I need some water. I am going to work. I am going to work. I like this song. I like this song. This is my favorite food. This is my favorite food. Call me later. Call me later. I am watching TV. I am watching TV. What time is it? What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. Good night. Good night. Thanks for watching Little Learners Club. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.